want to show you here is how to use the sound notification feature under accessibility on your iPhone or iPad to record coughing. Say you have COVID or you have a loved one who coughs quite a bit and you want to know how much they're coughing and whether it's getting better or worse. So use the sound recognition feature to trigger personal automation, which then launches a shortcut which writes to Apple Health here in the cough section. So let's see how this works. Also got a little notification and another entry. It's right close to the last one I had, so you might not see. They're kind of smudged together there. So you can use that, and you could look at how was it the day before. See how it's going, or you could look at a week, month. So this could be helpful. And I'll include details in the description of how to set this up.